Hello, parents, or maybe children. We wanted to help you out this half term, maybe making a few videos that give you an idea of how to do some things better. I know some of the ways that we've been sending stuff has been a bit of a challenge for some people. So I just wanted to show you something today, quickly, on the OneDrive that we're sending things home, just that might make it easier for you to access stuff. So hopefully you can see there, this is Year 6's maths for the first week back. And you can see the files. And I know that some people have found this quite frustrating. It is not a perfect way of sharing files. There's probably better ways, but actually for us, this is quite a straightforward way of uploading them and getting them to you at the right time. And we're using PDFs because that means that everything looks like we want it to. If we were using it, we thought about Word documents and other documents like that, but the problem with those is that often when we're using the online viewer, it just messes with them and fiddles with them, and we know that not everyone will have that software at home. And the way you've probably been accessing them is just by clicking on them. And when you do that, OneDrive opens its own PDF viewer, which isn't great, to be honest. I'm not that impressed with it, and I realize that sometimes this has maybe caused a few people problems. We're trying this half term to make our PDFs a bit shorter, a bit more concise, maybe cutting stuff out or putting stuff in other places so that you can access it. But you can see this is OneDrive's PDF viewer, and it often just sort of freezes or doesn't work, and I know that's quite frustrating. So what I wanted to show you was that actually there is another way to open them. If you're using a computer, a laptop, or a desktop, if you click on the three arrows here, you can open it in a browser, and then actually it just opens as a PDF in your web browser. So you can see here, this is a lot more stable, a lot easier, and actually it would mean that you can open multiple documents at the beginning of the day, for example. If you wanted to get in there before your kids start and have the maths and the English ready for the day, then you could have them ready. Or if you've got more than one child and they're accessing them at different times, you could stack them up so that child one can get on there, do their thing, and then once they've gone, everything's there ready for the next person. So you can see I can go back here and I could go back and find Year 5's maths, and I could open a different one. And if I come here, I've got now two open at the same time. So it means I've got my Year 6 stuff and my Year 5 stuff. So that's really helpful. And then we just close them there like that, and I can go back to my OneDrive there. So that, I find that really helpful. We're going to, hopefully, that's something that maybe will just make the process a bit smoother, because I know that it's hard enough as it is. So we want to make the technology work. It's worth saying, if you do that on a tablet, what it will do is it will download the file to your tablet. So if you click on the three dots and open in browser, it doesn't actually open in the browser. It downloads the PDF and then uses your tablet's default PDF viewer to open it. That will still be better. I think that's still better than the PDF viewer on a tablet or whatever device you're using. But it will mean that you might need to go and find them at a later date and delete them, because otherwise you'll end up with loads of stuff on your tablet filling up the storage. So hopefully that's useful. If you need any more help, if stuff isn't working, or you need to know how to do things, please do get in touch with us, and we want to help you. And again, as we've said in our emails, if you need paper, we can print these things off for you, and we're happy to deliver them. So please let us know different ways that we can help you this half term with the work we're sending home. I hope you're all well, and see you soon, hopefully.